This rain is endless. It's peaceful though.
I like the sound. Me too.
Thank you for this blessing, and for our family.
And for our love.
Welcome, traveler. May peace be upon you. This is a place of rest and reflection. Oh, this meat looks so fresh.
It is, just butchered this morning. Impressive. Here, try a piece.
Thank you. Just a little more, boys.
Is it almost ready, Mom? Yeah, we're so hungry.
Patience, it'll be worth the wait.
This is so yummy, Mom.
I'm glad, sweetie. Have some more.
Yes, please.
Here you go.